Log 7, peace. Mini lecture 7, the death of Socrates. Okay, we start light. Warning, if philosophy isn't done right, it backfires. Thirsty for wisdom, the infamous philosopher Socrates, sometimes pronounced Socrates if you speak in English, consulted the oracle in Delphi. It's common, the ancient Greeks always went to an oracle asking for some guidance. But ironically, the price test prophesied him to be the wisest of all Greeks. It's a weird sense of humor. None the wiser, Socrates questioned the prophecy by searching for someone wiser than himself. He didn't buy it. Questioning everyone, Socrates exposed that they knew nothing, only believing they knew something. Acknowledging his lack of wisdom made him wiser than those who tried to ignore their own ignorance. Yeah? But the gaslighting got him into trouble. Socrates was imprisoned and sentenced to suicide for perverting minors with his lack of wisdom. Socrates believed he knew nothing, but believing is knowing. Although he was the wisest of all mortals, Socrates wasn't safe from deception. For he was deceived by the immortal philosophers, Heraclitus and Parmenides, who visited him as spirits on death row. When Socrates asked them, as they were delousing each other, what wisdom they had for him, they answered, what we get, we let go. Then we get what we can't get. When Socrates tried to get what he can't get, he was drowning in confusion. Socrates was so confused, he drank poison, hoping it could quench his thirst for wisdom. Don't be like Socrates. Don't confuse believing with knowing. Just do it like Heraclitus and Parmenides did it. Delouse your head from lousy beliefs. This is how you delouse yourself. Find a thought, then let it go. Lose the louse. What do you get by letting go of what you think? What is left after everything and even nothing has left? When I let go of everything, everything becomes nothing. When I let go of nothing, nothing has never existed. The naked truth, that's who is left after everything that can't leave has left. Okay, mini lecture takeaway. What questions does the mini lecture bring up for you? Consider the following. How does it relate to philosophy? What does it have to do with you? 1. Think about some questions. Do this in your head, write things down, up to you. Just gather some questions.